Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So in today's video we'll be solving a word problem on whole number. It's a very nice problem and it's different. So let's start with reading the question first. At a bakery, 3 cupcakes were sold for $8. Jenny bought 255 cupcakes and received a change of $20 from the cashier. How much money did Jenny give to the cashier? Okay, so for this question, what do we have? We have, first thing we have is 3 cupcakes, right? 3 cupcakes which were sold for $8. So that means the first thing we understand from this is that cupcakes were sold in a set. Okay, it's not like sold, it's not sold individually. Okay, single like a single cupcake. It is being sold in set of three. So let's say uh, this is my first set. Okay, so let's say this is my set 1. Okay, so and what's the price of this set? So you can see here one set has 3 cupcakes, right? So these 3 cupcakes, so what's the price for this cupcakes? For $8. Okay, so one set is for $8, right? So if you buy one set of cupcakes, you have to pay $8. But how about if I bought 2 sets? Okay, if I buy 2 sets, then what will happen? How much you have to pay, right? So let's say this is my second set. Okay, so what do you think? Obviously second set will also have 3 cupcakes, and again its cost will be $8. But how much, suppose I buy 2 sets of cupcakes, so how much I will be paying for it? I will be paying 8 times 2, because each set is $8. So 2 sets will be 8 times 2, $16, right? And how about if I have to pay, if I have to buy 3 sets? Okay, if I have to buy 3 sets, so let's say there is another set here. Okay, and so let's call it set 3. Okay, let's call it set 3, and obviously it will cost the same price, $8. Okay, so how much, suppose I buy 3 sets of cupcakes, so how much I have to buy? Right, 8 plus 8 plus 8. So how much I have to pay? It's 8 times 3, which is $24, right? So for our question, uh, one thing is clear, that the cupcakes were sold in sets. Okay, and the total number of cupcakes Jenny has bought is 255 cupcakes. Okay, we don't know in terms of like how many sets she has bought. Probably a lot more, because you can see here for 3 sets, how many cupcakes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cupcakes. But we don't know how many sets she has bought. But we know that the total number of cupcakes that she has bought is 255. Okay, but we don't know how many sets she has bought. So the first thing, once we know that how, if we can just find how many sets she has bought, it's easy, right? How much she was supposed to pay to the cashier. So how do we find how many sets she has bought? Okay, so the number of sets she bought will be equal to, it's very easy, right? She has bought a total of 255, right? And each set is 3 cupcakes, so just divide it by 3 and you will get 85. So basically she has bought 85 sets. Okay, 85 sets of 3 cupcakes each. Okay, now we have to find out how much she was supposed to pay for these 85 sets. Okay, how much she was supposed to pay for these 85 sets. So as we know, the cost of one set is $8. So the total cost of 85 sets would be 85 times 8. Okay, so that will be $680. Okay, if you calculate it, it will be $680. Okay, but the thing is, she has received a change of $20 from the cashier. That means what? It means that she has not given the cashier the exact amount. Okay, she has given more than it. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose I go to the supermarket and I buy a cake which cost me $8. Okay, and I give the cashier $10. So how much change the cashier will return to me? Okay, the cost of the cake is $8 and I have given the cashier $10. So the cashier will be returning me, he will cut the cost of the cake and he will return me $2. So he will subtract $8 from the total amount I have paid, which I have paid as $10, and he will return me the change of $2. Okay, so the cashier will give me $2 as change. Similarly, for Jenny's case, right, she received a change of $20. So what's the total amount? What is the total amount of money you think she has given to the cashier? Think about it. Okay, so what's the total amount of money she would have given to the cashier, right, so that she received a change of $20? Obviously, it is the total cost which she was supposed to pay, and then the extra $20, right, which she has given to the cashier. Okay, so it's $700. Okay, see, she has given the cashier $700, and that's why cashier has subtracted the amount 680, which was the cost of 255 cupcakes, and return her the change of $20. Okay, so basically answer for this question is Jenny has given the cashier $700. So that's the answer, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the videos. Bye.